When we look at political party policies, they have a conduct, and their conduct does not even touch on online violence. This is important because we have seen a rise of online gender-based violence in this election. We have seen a lot of hired goons online and bloggers, and parties need to start strategizing when it comes to management of harassment online as well. So this research is basically highlighting that, and the fact that a lot of young people are struggling with mental health and depression, and politics is actually a trigger, and no one is having conversations around that and the well-being of candidates. We've also seen a rise of independent candidates, and a lot of them are young people. Basically, young people are rebelling, and they're saying the party is not providing a safe space for me to participate.
We have a lot of challenges as women, more than men, who vie in political positions and also who fight for nomination positions. We are not treated equally. You can see even right now as we speak in the county assembly, the elected MCAs have been given position whereby they are going to identify their offices, but nominated do not have an office as we speak right now. That is at the assembly level, which is something that we're trying to deal with because we already have our staff, but they don't have somewhere to work in. And when I vied for the first time, that is back in 2017, I was still single. When I asked for votes, people used to look at my hands to see whether I have a ring. They used to see a young child who's asking for votes very early. So most of the time they used to ask me, do you have a child? Do you have a man? It reached a point whereby I felt this question is irrelevant. At some point I may answer somebody rudely. So instead of that, I opted to go and just buy a ring. Next time before they ask that question, they're going to look at my hands and see a ring. And from there, that question will no longer be asked because I knew it is irrelevant.
The political parties fund is supposed to expand and enhance SIG's participation in politics, but we are not sure that this fund really does that. So there is need for CSOs to champion for accountability by political parties on how they use the political parties fund. Because CMD did a study way back where they realized that most of the money is used for administrative and management aspects, but that is not really what the PPF was put to do.